Arches National Park, America. Located just 5 miles, 8 kilometers, north of Moab, you will discover the awe-inspiring Arches National Park, boasting the largest concentration of natural sandstone arches on Earth. With over 2,000 arches scattered across its vast 76,518-acre expanse, this park is a treasure trove of geological wonders. Towering sandstone fins, majestic balanced rocks, and soaring pinnacles and spires dominate the landscape, leaving visitors in awe as they explore the park's numerous viewpoints and hiking trails. Embarking on a scenic drive along a paved route, visitors can easily access the park's key viewpoints, allowing them to soak in the breathtaking vistas. However, Arches National Park offers more than just stunning arches. Its rock formations captivate the imagination of both children and adults alike. Families can venture out of their vehicles and embark on easy trails, providing kids with the perfect opportunity to intimately experience the arches up close. Connection with this natural marvel, the park offers an array of trail options. Whether you prefer a leisurely 20-minute stroll leading to some of the largest arches in the park or an adventurous trek into lesser explored areas, Arches National Park caters to all levels of hiking enthusiasts. America's national parks are truly crown jewels, evoking awe and wonder in visitors from around the world. While Moab's iconic national parks, Arches and Canyonlands, draw many visitors, our public lands extend far beyond these two parks. From scenic rivers and forests to a state park and thousands of square miles of ruggedly beautiful Bureau of Land Management land, the town of Moab is surrounded by natural wonders that are waiting to be